Welcome to Mega Technology, your destination for discovering the wonders of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and the incredible feats of technological progress. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. Forget about overflowing bins thanks to the PackMat compactor. One pass and the raw material is already converted into compact material, making room for new material. And what's even better, PackMat also offers a solution to easily transport these bins, making the waste management process as efficient as possible. The Machiras Air Core is revolutionizing the way we think about firefighting, working effectively on large surfaces and with liquid fires. The machine quickly reduces heat and improves visibility, ensuring safety and simplifying the firefighting process. Meet the machine that literally breaks the laws of physics with its power and versatility. Reverse through muddy areas and carry massive loads that seem too heavy for others with incredible ease. This machine is a true master of its craft, capable of handling any task with ease. In a matter of seconds, the tree is on the ground, cut so cleanly that you can't even tell if there was a stump. All thanks to professional technology, which makes the cutting process so precise that the ground is left without a single trace. Look how easily and quickly the machine you see prepares the conifer tree for transportation. So, you don't have to worry about the tree getting hurt in transit after digging it up. This is a perfect example of how the right equipment makes complex tasks simple. A special machine with tongs does the impossible, converting an entire bus into scrap metal in a matter of minutes. Efficiently and effortless, it reduces the volume of bulky waste, preparing it for recycling. One thing I can say is that watching red-hot metal take unusual shapes in just a few seconds is incredible. Such a moment makes your eyes burst with wonder. Forget about the old way of transplanting trees. Now, special caterpillar machinery is on the scene, turning this process into a real art form. Under its watchful eye, the tree is not just transplanted, it begins a new chapter of its life in a new place. Watching the process of making perfect metal molds is fascinating. Do you agree with me? That's not enough? Then look no further. Here it is, another example of such work. Developing the perfect railroads is not an easy task, requiring not only knowledge but also a suitable arsenal of equipment. Fortunately, human genius has already found the perfect solution for its ambitious projects. Be on the lookout for something incredible to see. Creating a metal thread weave is a process that will undoubtedly leave you enthralled. The play of light on the intertwined metallic threads creates an effect that is impossible to take your eyes off. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. Huge technologically advanced machines handle the glowing materials as easily as if they were toys in their hands. This approach to production really demonstrates the power of modern technology. When it comes to cutting metal sheets with perfect precision, a powerful machine becomes an indispensable assistant. Thanks to its impressive capabilities, you can be assured of smooth and clean edges without unnecessary effort. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing old road surfaces into an easy exercise. With its help, the process is not only quick, but also marvelously efficient, as if the machine embodies the art of building new paths. Three high-performance monsters have taken on the task of taking care of the roads during heavy snowdrifts, and it's a pleasure to watch them work. With their incredible power and coordinated action, winter roads will be safe. In just a few moments, the spinning machine passes through metal as if it were made of oil, rather than one of the strongest materials on Earth. Instantly, the machine becomes a powerful tool, dividing the ground with the precision of a surgical scalpel. It is a pleasure to watch it work because it makes the whole process surprisingly simple and efficient. With steady efficiency and speed, this machine does its job, cutting down trees one by one. Without any pity, but with precision, it fulfills its purpose. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial. It is impressive to witness the process by which rigid metal becomes flexible and obedient in the hands of a professional machine. It's almost like magic. Complex shapes and curves emerge from an unyielding material with a special ease. Clearing snow may seem like a gigantic challenge, but not for specialized machinery. Even the largest snowdrifts can be cleared without difficulty. You are looking at a machine that does something magical. As it works the soil, it seems to paint on it, turning the work in the ground into a real art. Its movement across the field is like a dance where every turn becomes a part of a larger canvas. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. Well, before you start, remember to protect your eyes with special goggles. Are you ready? Now, all eyes on the screen. When two field cultivating machines work in unison, it is more than just an agronomic operation. They literally inspire the land, creating optimum conditions for its future. The complex system of the entire large mechanism creates a perfectly compressed raw material that is instantly ready for use. The efficiency and thoughtfulness of the process is astonishing. Under the magical influence of the machine, an object originally decorated with ribs in the hands of a magician master acquires incredible smoothness. This metamorphosis from roughness to perfection is simply mesmerizing. It's wonderful how modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely, yes. A modern machine with a cutter is a real artist in the world of car discs, which gives them a state of absolute perfection. For car lovers, this is a dream come true because what could be more important than perfection in every detail of their iron horse? In everyday life, we are used to surrounding ourselves with functional and beautiful tableware without thinking about the outstanding stages of its creation. Behind each elegant object is a unique production process that combines art, technology, and craftsmanship. When it comes to cutting sheet metal, a specialized machine comes to the fore, demonstrating its superiority over manual work. Its precision and speed deserve not just approval, but also the highest rating, a solid A+. Allow me to introduce you to a machine that is not just a machine, but a whole orchestra of mechanisms playing in unison for the sole purpose of achieving perfection. Its appearance, it is the epitome of performance and power, a real visual treat. Street food is experiencing a real revolution thanks to the introduction of multifunctional machines that have the potential to replace an entire team of cooks. With these machines, the food preparation process takes on a new dimension. Even unyielding metal will yield when you are armed with the right equipment. Creating the perfect notch becomes an easy and enjoyable task, showing that with the right tool, nothing is impossible. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Whew, and what can I say here? Even with the increased amount of product, the press creates perfectly formed meats with ease. It's a true miracle of efficiency in your kitchen. How spectacularly the sea delicacies are harvested in the vast expanses of huge farms. And the best part is that soon these fresh delicacies will be on your table, ready for you to appreciate their unique flavor. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is! A washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. And yet, without the effort and care of the worker, this process would not be possible. Human labor is invaluable here. Even in reverse mode, the snowblower is just as efficient, easily tackling accumulated snow. This is true versatility. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. You know how unpleasant it is when a drawstring pops out of your pants? It often seems like an eternal task to put it back in place, but don't worry. I have a surprisingly easy way for you to solve this problem. Watching an agricultural machine at work in the field, you can't help but marvel at its speed and precision, and its power and capabilities leave no doubt that we are looking at a true professional in the field. The speed of change is remarkable. Instantly, the pattern on the product gains additional depth and creativity. What seems simple and straightforward becomes complex, and that's cool. This is how the steel chain gets its final shape. The process is seemingly mundane, but delve into it, and you will discover the marvelous art of metalworking. Why bother with an axe when there is a rotating miracle machine that turns wood into perfect logs in seconds? This tool not only saves time and effort, but also guarantees perfect results. Pockets with unusual stitching on pants or jeans are always on trend and add creativity to any look. But have you ever wondered how they appear on your clothes? It turns out there is an ingenious way to quickly and easily collect all the balls from the field. This method is highly efficient and can make preparing the field for the next game much easier. If you think Big Rock is the pinnacle of durability, then there are machines that are ready to disprove that opinion. They can show what they can do, turning the seemingly impenetrable into an easy task. Get ready! The special machine is about to make it very cool and very hot, a sight you will definitely remember for a long time. You see, the craftsmen are hard at work, but their most reliable allies in this endeavor are powerful industrial machines. Technological giants easily take on the challenge, helping craftsmen to achieve impressive results. Want a wow effect? Then watch how heating metal to high temperatures and using specialized equipment creates perfectly shaped parts. Under the guidance of a team of master craftsmen, a hand roller transforms a path into a masterpiece, forming a flawless walkway with a neat curve. Combined efforts and precision. Small but mighty. That perfectly describes this unusual crawler friend. Don't doubt, friends. Not only small vegetation, but also small trees will be flattened by its relentless pressure. Just watch as the corner of the piece is cut with unbelievable skill, transforming it into a perfect product that is exactly as specified. Interesting. Under the power of such a powerful machine, wood is turned into splinters in a matter of moments. The incredible power of the equipment leaves no chance for wood to resist, demonstrating its efficiency and speed in operation. Here it is again, red-hot metal, which in the skillful hands of a master craftsman becomes a perfect piece. This process not ever ceases to amaze, demonstrating how perfection is born from fiery raw materials. Create a perfectly shaped metal product with smooth outlines and precise dimensions? No question at all. Having an arsenal of mechanized assistants working as accurately and efficiently as possible. With the Toro self-propelled aerator, you can easily provide your soccer field with perfect aeration. The machine effectively pierces holes in the turf, improving the air and water exchange of the root system. I must admit, this device is a real breakthrough, friends. It significantly accelerates the construction process, saving time and effort for many craftsmen. An incredible find for any construction site. With the arrival of the construction 3D printer, the tasks for the rest of the workforce have become much easier. Notice the precision and perfect lines it generates. The results are truly impressive. Watching the actions of such a powerful technique, you can't help but catch yourself thinking, magic exists. Its ability to transform complex tasks into a real art makes your heart beat faster, and it is impossible to take your eyes off what is happening. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There is no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. This tiny machine on the construction site is a living reminder that great things don't always require giants. It's a pleasure to watch it work, full of excitement and energy. The process of winding the ribbon into spools of certain sizes will definitely reduce your work time, because winding them by hand can be long and tedious. With remarkable precision and attention to detail, this machine performs its work daily, reminiscent of the activities of an experienced surgeon. Its capacity for precise and accurate manipulation makes it an indispensable tool in its field. What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. In the era of high technology, the process of preparing gourmet dishes in restaurants is taking on the characteristics of a real spectacle, thanks to the outstanding automation of production processes. It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. He clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. Consider metal cutting. Any worker, even with maximum effort and skill, would spend incomparably more time on this process than is required by a high-tech machine that demonstrates marvels of speed and precision. The professional rolling master turns any material into a dough, quickly extracting perfect layers of the desired thickness from under his rollers. Great, isn't it? If you try to do the same thing manually, it will take much longer, I assure you. So you see a real find for those who appreciate speed and quality in cooking. For those who have never had the chance to dive into the world of manufacturing, it may come as a surprise how exciting and dynamic process flows can be outside the office walls. Wouldn't you agree? In the hands of a good craftsman, any, even the most soulless machine comes to life, putting holes in metal sheets as if working with butter. I can imagine how long it would take him to do it all by hand. With this mechanized helper in your arsenal, soil preparation and seed sowing move to a new level of simplicity and efficiency. It is capable of plowing and sowing at the same time, significantly reducing labor costs and accelerating the process of working on the land. The key to successful work is not only in-depth knowledge and skills, but also the use of advanced technology. When these two components are combined, high-level performance is not only possible, but also guaranteed. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. Do you want to see how far progress in metalworking has come? And just watch how metal rods are gathered in just a few moments to form an object. Craftsmanship and speed are at work here. Don't judge capabilities by size. This little machine is a true craftsman. It can create a panel so magnificent that every pattern and line deserves to be scrutinized. Her creations are definitely eye-catching. Take a closer look at the workflow of this unique machine, and you'll discover the source of its creative power to create beautiful panels. And it's great to watch it bring each of its works to life. No matter what you say, but with such a machine in your arsenal, you'll know exactly how to transform and enhance your own work, doing it quickly and flawlessly. What could be better than being able to automate processes, especially when you have massive volumes of products on hand that need to be cleaned? Let me tell you one thing. Thanks to advances in technology, we can reduce hours of labor to literally minutes. With such advanced rotating units and a creative approach to the process, there can be no doubt about the quality of the real assembly. These mechanisms are capable of marvels of precision and efficiency, delivering perfect perfection in every product. A little human involvement can work wonders in the pressing process with a mechanized machine. The perfect combination of human control and machine power ensures that everything is done perfectly. In the world of metalworking, there are monsters with metal teeth that can work wonders. They transform raw materials into critical parts with impeccable precision. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Friends, just forget about the slow and tedious planting of plants. Now there is a machine that takes care of all the work, ensuring fast planting with perfectly even rows. With it, your field will look flawless without any extra effort. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. And here you can take a closer look at how the whole process of pavement removal takes place. Maybe you haven't thought about how the very key parts are created, without which the construction process comes to a standstill, but believe me, seeing them produced with your own eyes is something absolutely fascinating. Now you have the opportunity to witness something magical, a process in which a laser transforms simple materials into exquisite works of art with amazing precision and ease. Just look and enjoy. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. Watching the transformation of a rough material into a refined creation is a pleasure for the soul. Each stage of this transformation is a testament to the wonders of modern machine craftsmanship, transforming the ordinary into a timeless symbol of aesthetics and grace. With just one precise movement, this majestic machine works wonders to create metal parts of impeccable quality. Every product that comes out of its hands is a masterpiece, ready to be used in a wide variety of applications. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form where every action is precise and efficient. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves.